For all of our power cords for sale, you will see a number followed by the letters AWG. You're probably wondering, what does this mean? AWG stands for the American Wire Gauge. This is a standard wire gauge system based in the United States, while Canada uses the international standard. It is a standard specification for the diameters of wires used in power cords. Each wire gauge has a maximum carrying capacity of electrical current it can handle. This current is known as amps. The AWG is the physical size of the wire, but each size wire is only capable of certain amperage before it becomes dangerously hot and overheats, causing a risk of fire or shock. For example, a 14 gauge wire can safely carry 15 amps of electrical current. If you try to overload the 14 gauge wire with 30 amps of current, you will overheat it and the circuit will blow. However, if you try to run 15 amps of electrical current through a 10 gauge wire, which is typically used for 30 amps, you will not have any problems. However, using a higher wire gauge than necessary is not economical because of the higher cost of materials. When working on a DIY project, purchasing the correct wire gauge is more practical. However, you can use a higher gauge wire for lower amp application if you are using an extension cord longer than 50 feet. By doing so, you can prevent a voltage drop that tends to happen in long-distance extension cords. We offer a handy chart to help you pick out the correct gauge wire for your projects. This can be found on our website. Please check out our website to read informative blogs about similar topics and to see our various adapters and cords for your power solution needs. Check us out on Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram. Give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos just like this one. Shoot us an email if there's a topic you'd like to see us cover. Thank you for watching.